Orlando Pirates has signed highly rated All-Stars midfielder Siphello Balloni. Balloni has been identified as one of the best midfielders in the Motsepe Foundation Championship. Balloni has signed a 3-year deal for the Buccaneers. The emerging midfielder, who is comfortable as U10, U8, no 6, is expected to team up with the squad for pre-season. What is your take on this new Pirates signing? Please do share your thoughts down below. In other PSL news, SAFA has set the record straight and clarified that they are not in talks with the PSL to increase the number of DStv Premiership teams from 16 to 18. How do you feel about the number of teams in the PSL? Please do share your thoughts down below.